Today I'm going to review this napkin holder I bought on Amazon. I chose the blue and white color because I think this will complement my working space. The floral design with golden lines gives the item an elegant look. The box is made of solid wood and has a glossy finish with enamel coating. The arm is made of steel, which keeps the tissue papers in place. The size is compact, approximately 7 inches. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 19 centimeter box. You can keep as many tissues as you need and it holds them perfectly. This napkin holder can be used on tea table, office desk, in the room or anywhere you want. So overall I like this product and I will be using it on my work desk. And I think this will make a good home decor. So check this out guys.